Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunday, December 10th. Didn't vlog anything yesterday. After work, I pretty much came home and edited. I got the character creation video edited. And so I was able to export that while I was at work today, which is good. But otherwise, yesterday was pretty boring. Today, however, I get off work and I have a missed call from Bob. I call him, what's going on? He's like, I just wondered if you needed help with anything with the condo. I was like, I don't know. And he's like, you sound sad. I'm like, well, I'm still at work in the parking lot. Maybe I'll be better when I get home. So I come home and check in. IKEA's open till 9. Now, that's going to be later than I'm able to be there, of course. But that does mean that it's not going to affect me at all. I can go ahead and go up there and get some stuff. Because I got some stuff I need to get. And I need to get some of it before Christmas because I have a coupon as long as I go before there to save like 25 bucks, which is valuable. So I called him. I was like, hey, yeah, you have the hatchback. So you're thinking a few flat pack furniture things will fit back there, yeah? So he's coming over and I'm going to go to IKEA with Bob. Yeah, it's fun. But yeah, so definitely got some things to get there. Also, a thing or two I want him to see and just to get his opinion on.
I swear to God, this is why nobody loves you. Elwood, you're a good boy. This is why nobody loves you. See? Yeah, Elwood, that's a good old man.
We stopped by Bob's folks and picked up his dad's bigger vehicle.
It's an Xterra. It's an SUV.
Bigger vehicle, extra, and
it's just an extra. Did it come with anything? Yeah, it did. He bought just a pot for planting, and this came with it. It was an extra. That's what it is.
They're rearranging the place every time I'm here. They got different stuff. This place is awesome. I know, it's awesome. They're so cool. Okay. Entertainment center. Hey, Bob, sit in that chair.
Alright, I'm not happy about it.
Didn't expect you to be. How's the chair? It goes up to the back of your neck.
I mean, that's fine.
Is that at all a comfortable chair?
It's a comfortable chair, but more comfortable. Oh, I can see why.
You like that one better? Even though that doesn't go up to the back of your neck?
It's the middle of my back that's the problem.
Bob's trying chairs. Apparently he thinks the cheapest one he sat in is the most comfortable. But it is cushy.
It's not my fault. It is the most comfortable. I didn't make the chairs, alright?
He did say it before we looked at the tag. It was kind of like, oh, figures.
It looks like a little kid's desk.
Yeah. Well, I'm not getting it in white. I'm getting it in the black brown.
No, it's so low.
I want to get on his.
You have to remember.
That's a good point.
You have to remember.
Let me wheel up that chair we're getting.
Everything I look at here is like, does it come in an adult size?
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if it even goes down more either.
But yeah, that's fine.
Like the chair might even go down more.
Uh-oh.
I didn't touch the lever.
No. Of course not.
You know when you're being judgmental.
Depends. What are you being right now?
Judgmental?
Yeah, then I am. Now, when you judge things, you can judge them guilty or innocent. How are you judging this?
Generally, if I judge things, it's not good.
I'm sorry, IKEA. I love you anyways. I mean, yeah, I like this because I like blue, but Just sort of a simple ceiling hanging light. I'll end up using the one that I have over my bed right now at first, so I don't need it immediately, but...
Immediately.
A rump.
Give the governor a rump.
And then I will probably also end up with one or two of these.
They're all the same price.
Try bad. Because that'll probably end up in the game room in case I just have some spots I need to fill in some light. Yeah, no, if I wasn't concerned about noise.
One of these.
Because that's silly.
And hideous?
Yeah. But no, if I wasn't concerned about noise, I would of course get a Death Star lamp.
That's awful.
But it's an exploding Death Star.
I hate everything about that.
But
It's the worst thing I've ever seen.
But it's an exploding Death Star. Alright, so I'm actually getting stuff out of the self-service area. I've never done this before.
Is that a jack?
As many times as I've been here. No. Looking for Lapland. Lapland, okay. I'm thinking, is it 3 boxes? This product comes in 3 packages. 1 plus 2 plus 3.
So that's 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm gonna put you away so I can help him get stuff. They don't have any.
It seems to handle 35, right?
Or 35 was the white one.
Oh, they have the white ones.
They have the white ones. Yeah, I mean, that's. I'm gonna get the black one. If you wanted to have the white one as the one that you were buying, then they have that.
Been instructed to film something. Everything's out of focus. Isn't that great?
Boxes. Should be good. Yep, very good.
You know what? I'm going on my side.
Yes, it's yeah. But yeah, there's a little bit of dripping there.
Yeah.
But should that cause any issue? Like, all right, furniture in there, and a chair over there. We have to wait until carpet is in before we can do that. But Mike did get the other part of the shelf up and the strips down that have to dry before we can move on. So definite progress. Yes. Came to Gingham's.
Shocking.
What's shocking?
The spicy jalapeno burger.
That's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this extreme cheese that I don't know if I've ever noticed before. Or maybe it's just something that I wasn't interested in any previous time I looked at it, and today it sounds good. I mean, sourdough bread, right? Everybody loves the sourdough.
As always.
Sour yum as always?
Same you say all the time.
No. Well, we both have a salad. Usually only it's me.
Ordinarily, I'm not here.
Ordinarily, he's not here. Look, I think it was the extreme cheese. I forget what it's called already. Look at that. It's a new burger. First time I've tried something new here in year. That wasn't bad. Probably not something I'll order again. Just didn't feel as filling. Just a lot simpler of a burger, but tasted good. So, all right, now to get home. That was a fun day with Bob. I do enjoy his company. And also, he was really helpful. I got some things over there that I need to. Now, I can't really build any of them until the carpet is put down. But now they're all ready. for me to do some fun furniture puzzles as soon as the carpet is put down. So that's good. Otherwise, it's starting to get late. I'm uploading a vlog, and other than that, I'm pretty much gonna lay down, trying to get some extra rest. I'm tired. Thank you for joining me, and join me as my journey continues. Bye.